If you are running an agency or B2B business, paying thousands of dollars to lead generation companies for outdated email lists is destroying your profit margins. You do not need to buy data. Today, I'm going to show you a complete masterclass on how to scrape hundreds of highly targeted local business leads for free and use AI to write the perfect cold email sequence to convert them into paying clients. First, we need to extract our targets. Open the Chrome Web Store and download a free extension called Instant Data Scraper. Next, head over to Google Maps. Type in exactly who your ideal client is, for example, digital marketing agencies in Liverpool. Once Google populates the list of businesses on the left side of your screen, simply click the Scraper extension. In less than 3 seconds, the tool extracts every single business name, rating, and website URL and packages it into a downloadable spreadsheet. Once the data extracts on Autopilot, just open it up right inside a browser tab using Google Sheets or Excel. It's going to look incredibly messy at first, but don't worry. Just copy a raw block of that text and bring it straight into ChatGPT. Using an advanced prompt, we tell the AI to act as a data analyst. Paste your raw text and ask it to filter out the junk, remove duplicates, and organize only the business names and websites into a clean, structured table. In seconds, your messy spreadsheet becomes a pristine lead list. Finally, we need to actually contact them. We give ChatGPT one last command. Act as an expert B2B copywriter and write a short, punchy, cold email offering a free video audit of their website, designed for a maximum reply rate. The AI instantly generates a highly personalized, low-friction sales script ready to send to your new leads. You now have a complete, zero-cost outbound sales machine you can run every single day. Hit subscribe to lock in your daily business workflows, and I'll see you tomorrow.